Hi! Today's mashup is going to be our very first 3-item one. How exciting! I'm also excited because it's my cousin's birthday, Man, in the Philippines. So, why don't we celebrate her birthday by mashing up a couple of her favorite things and drawing. So, let's see. She's a filmmaker, so why don't we draw a film clicker? I'll explain that in a bit. She loves M&Ms, so let's add some M&Ms and also birthday cake. So 3 items. All right, I have my Sharpie. Most of you know there's no erasing because everything you create will be perfect and beautiful all the time. Secondly, please pause the video if you need to, and you don't have to draw this mashup exactly the way I'm doing it. All right, so let's first draw the clicker. So why don't we draw sort of like a rectangle shape, box-like this. Okay, and then add the other rectangle over here. Okay, they usually have like a hinge, like a triangular hinge right there. I'll just lock that in. Right, so there's the clicker. And then add some diagonal lines like this. Okay, and add another line over here and draw the opposite diagonal lines like that. Okay, all right, so there's some details inside, so why don't we just draw a couple of lines. This is where filmmakers can add info, so we just make it more film clicker like. Okay, again, you don't have to draw the clicker exactly the way I'm drawing it. And then let's add one big eye and the smaller one, just like most of my characters, and connect it to the clicker. Let's add the pupil, so one letter C and another letter C, then fill them in. One letter C and another letter C, and fill them in. Going to fill this in a little bit more. Now, also keep in mind, you can always go back and add color to your creation. All right, I'm going to give her some lashes. And one thing I like about the film clicker is that when it's open, it looks happy already, so I don't think it needs a smile. All right, so let's draw the body. So, Man, I'm going to give you a 3-layered cake. So draw one layer like this, and the line that is a little longer, 2, and the third one that's a lot longer than the first one. 3-layered cake, yummy. Let's add some icing. So that's so much fun to do. So it's a whole bunch of wave-like, rounded wave-like shapes. 2, and the third one. Okay, now let's add some sprinkles or candy. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Not a surprise, my favorite number. Okay, so now, how about if we add some candles? I'm going to, for the birthday cake, add 1 candle. So add sort of like a rectangular shape like this and round it off. And add some melted wax like this. Then let's add the wick, okay, and the flame. It's 1 hand. So draw a tube-like shape like this, and the circle, and the wick, and the flame, and some melted wax. All right, it's looking really, really fun. Birthday cake, birthday candles. Let's add some legs. Add 2 sort of curved lines, and this is where the M&Ms will play in. Add 2 circles, like this. M&Ms, my cousin's favorite candies. Add the letter M. Add another letter M. Okay, now let's make the M&Ms shiny. So add a rectangle and a square, a rectangle and a square, and guess what? I'm going to sign this. We are done. Yahoo! Happy birthday, Man. I hope you like my kind of virtual present for you over here. Enjoy your special day. And folks, if you have not done so, please subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon. Thank you very, very much for drawing with me, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Happy birthday, Man!